Hello, my name is Sisuma Kamhu, African Professor One, Mama spokesperson, my chief linguist, African Professor One, Ekasa, and any day they can basa platforms. But one dress subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, no, it just say, can be, like it, subscribe, share. Let's all move this conversation together. I have a lot to say. It's freestyle, it's unscripted, and I talk about a range of issues, a lot of issues. And sanity, Ubaha, you won't be disappointed. The one more time, African Professor Unfiltered, Mamu spokesperson, my chief linguist, African Professor Nekas, and then command person, my today. Me say, Asante this, Asante that. When did it become a crime or shame to be Asanteni in Ghana? My sense of you, me say, Asante this, Asante that. When did it become a crime or shame to be Asanteni in Ghana? A question as a Busana Mibusa. I'm not trying to promote any other tribe, Asante tribe, over any other tribe because me fish any part in nipa bako. You come home a muja, we bruni, we bibini, we young, in muja, and a dear mufusani. So we are all made up of DNA. So now we have a lot of similarities and I say commonalities than differences in Nipa. That's an India because we are all human race, one race. We belong to one race, and there's no such thing as racism, this and that. It's all tribe. A tribe, ethnic groups, and we group, and anyway, and you share the same culture. It's a cultural bondage, and I say that is what most sometimes a distinguishes, and I say a man independent na Ghana no, we take that tribalism and I say in Africa to a different level. Until you see one tribe pitting another tribe, against other tribe. And that is what is going on. There's one tribe in Ghana, just say they have, they have been at the receiving end of, tribal insinuation and bigotry. Asante I receive that kind of bigotry than more any other tribe in Ghana. Why? And then come on, say, you may say somewhere and say, oh, it's all full of nonsense or whatever, but it's the truth. God knows I'm telling the truth because baby and Asante this, Asante that, Asante this, Asante that. And, for the past, there are I know a lot of people talk to me, Asante people, they talk to me, there are a lot of people, even America, they don't even want to identify themselves so much Asante for. I didn't tell because some very say, Obekwa Kujina baby so Asante because a man for because oh no. Why? And so Ghana, no regional capital in Ghana, beside Kumasi, and boast of other ethnic groupings, than any other regional capital in Ghana, Kumasi, and Alcoa, you are Raga, you are Mangrafo, you are Mozinzongo, you are Abobo number 1, Abobo number 2. Akotiala, Alaba, what is the scano? And now just say, Pepia, Fantinu town, Pepia, you all kind of people, other tribal grouping in Asante region, in Kumasi, especially. Oko Menshiaswa, the seed of Asante, the heart of Asante, Menshia Palace. And Nimo Nina, Oko, Dicham Sunsium Hone, your friends at Menshia Hospital, across the street from Menshia Palace. And when Nina, other Northerners near other ethnic group that you and so no otim for say hey adeti na motiha na mo yentumu nyina mfiro me pese me hu say regional capital ben and Ghana omo boast of a lot of tribal group in that Kumasi and that's Ashanti region. And see, in the midst of all this, in light of all this, still you get a lot of people just say they don't even see anything good from Ashanti region beside Asante for you say Asante this, Asante that, Asante this, Asante that. And me choose our topic way, not to, like I said, not to promote Asante and Asante for over any other tribe. And one more time, let me make this clear that yengina nipa da say yengina e baako. Nipa me say so biology the way a nipa Bruni, Bibini, India, Japan, the way we are so close all this goes to substantiate the fact say a true say a nipa we all belong to one race. No, you say because of geographical differences near the so and I'm a teaching the culture near the culture so and yet it's not based on DNA. It's something that is learned and it can be unlearned. And it is tribal near the thing because they are all social construct. And they can be they are all learned phenomena and they can be unlearned. And to the person say Asante Fonye Nkophobia Omiye Nijemu. Asante Fonye Nkophobia sub Omum Persisie. Omu tra ho ma ntwem omu ntina omu ni abrafo de taso a omu tra ho omu nya Nkophobia betwa form so ba say omu ya accommodating, they accommodate other people and I make us tina cook masia. You all kind of tribal grouping. You know, when atena free and quite bloom. They still, they still, but be a trouble be a kumasi. Be a kumasi. Oma be stony, business near. We live together. It is Asante this, Asante that, Asante the Ephraim. Politicians no more pay vote no. Only to me you see Asante. They pit Asante for against other Asante for the omu kwa official me nipa che obia MPP omu ya Asante for kwa anti Asante party na omu afaso no de biti Asante for omu de biti other tribe nti na ko voter region NDC for na use yemian mo voter regions to this point. And so they don't even have anything to show for NDC, but they still keep on using Asantes and just to get vote from. But I hope that this time people are learning. They because of social media, no money be more. They see a lot of things. I just need more because we are around them. They see it is our lies and then the myth. It is their days are numbered. Now the person they say the Asante for for cancer for Asante for kasa ama and I make us say it drew maybe and I say even at some point in time we Asanteni kura na afare so be you ready and also baby you are no krakasa asembi kura honest be a very good is a positive contribution and I say you be to say you don't want to say it because we should say and that's all very say Oko biwa no pay because omu no kwano no omu de omu ye huhu omu ye nti no ya ka wa hye ho enso sade we nyina ye myth e ya de bia enkofo bi you can't even tell how the whole thing originate but nima ye nkontoposa you don't even know where it come from but once a p now man for keep on repeating it over, they amplify it over and over. Now it seems like it become a truth. And that's how lies are. Sometimes lies, when you keep repeating lies, to some point in time now, it becomes like, it seems like it's a truth because people keep on repeating it. And once you keep on repeating it, now I say, no correct. So, say be pepe. And I make us say, so Asante Ghana, Krano. Region, omutority other tribes. Asante for. So me boy come over I didn't know one grandpa. And me person who said all the regional capitals and he no more for Tinu town. Omu Angraga, Omo Mosizongo, Omu Alaba, Omu Akotiala, Omu Ahifa. Sawaba, Ahifa. Besides Asante region. When you the band what he said, Asante for I actually train so many other tribes no was Kumaseko. What be that? It doesn't happen. It never happened, and it would never happen because we believe say yenye nipa baako. We are the government we 31 kura Ashanti region at 31 yen nanum eko akono. No need the goma for na eko ni mosi for na ekambomo eko. Ekambomo mu nyina on one side they fought against the at the end na so Asante this Asante and nam so Asante ho hinti no your family did Asante for nyina atem Asante for you say Asante for this Asante for that Asante for this why and the na make say amount for kan man do point be say you there's a lot of Asantes omo abrochi ha omo Germany bi America ha bi Germany and London no ni ade they don't even want to identify themselves. They don't openly so me Asante because could be one of koyas sikoyo Asante sama. Because oh no who baby could be why any pass will be an any soup and then the buy and tough woman no cry woman but that could cry will be uncle in the soup. Any panya coupon we are saying in a tribal differences and that's individual differences no yakupon the kind of diversity. And if we say diversity now could room and I say we have different different kind of people wo de hwe so wa ko gina dwom and as a store bia ko gina ho enipa etwam nyina obia ko ne nanim different. Why? That's the nature, that's beauty of nature. Nti me kan nyina makosi nipa o ye den ye nyina yentimi enkasa pe yentimi behave pe yentimi nya bi nti se wo ye boko wo ye sikani now the wo sika no peso bia be hu so wo sika and as the wo sika no wo spend the din no be the o se ni sika no o de be ye obema on the obedi ama hu sika no isu nti odi be ye ne party obetutu obebi party obesisi adan kase to talk kase who beef when they say problem they say why is it a big deal? Why I didn't anybody you? What does it mean to be a who? Me na my brem when you're misika. And I say my brem when you're fair, I'm say me display. Because life is too short. If we are saying, they crying. And you, when your life and watch when he, umreswanako, and to be a woody when he and would you know that down low. Obisu the on penisa or pendise ubiabehuno. Why is it a big deal? And you know, it be a tribe way, when we should buy any say no more. Tribe way for us, so omiji omo yeneso. Asante for a jiji obinya sebia ko baby, say. I didn't say you were he. Why? And so by Asante region, ye accommodate to be the machine number can say the most tolerant tribe in Ghana is Asantes. That's the first me boy about Kumasi and Brabere. Then will be a yena babayara. Or you not know. And so the most iconic building in Ghana, in Kumasi, aye sports stadium no. Yedi not na and dinner to so me person who say region bed or Ghana pre any not na and I say ubeko Cape Coast so me did not na di beto Cape Coast sports stadium and I say uko Volta region and I say uko Tamala omudi Asanteni and I say other tribal different tribe ni be beto sports stadium why and I say uko Braha for region and I say Ombesa one besa beside Ashanti region Edibi na Asante this Asante that and here na make say among for come for us I can some any contempo and any money for Asante for one a point to be said a lot of Asante people cry and they don't even want to identify themselves in public because almost person be expressive but me I don't even give a heck about what anybody think about me or say because anybody masa obi any o chen obi at the end of the day, no, the way I be lead your life, a ball life, no, and it be determined be about. So basically, no, biologically, we all have the same DNA basis. Me see, in Nipa, we Brunio, we Bibinio, we are Renio, we are the Gomanio, we are Wanyo, your DNA, no, a bed 99. Me see, a year woman similarities, no, said DNA, ye Nipa. Because they all belong to one human race, we say a 99.9% so similarities. All human beings, white, black, and whatever. Until the only difference in your by 0.5, I say, by me fast 0.1, I say, that's about it. BCT that tells you say nipa nipa bako. So if I friend you where no say nipa no na intini wuto ho. Me say biological and scientifically me say nipa so ni mama me ka kiro ne all human being white, black, Indian, Japanese me say yinina DNA no similarity say 99.999% pa wa ko research no. And the difference is no kakra na is by 0.5 as I say. That's it. That's about it. The rest, we share almost the same DNA. So what is the fuss about? We say. It is so big in your mama in munya person obey the Mugano Comune, obey the Onion did. And you come up person that Asante this, Asante that. When did it become a crime or shame to become Asanteni in Ghana? You come up person one more time, Africa Professor One. Subscribe, share with friends and family, and I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.